Hello, sis and bros. So, welcome to the channel. Well, actually, a little backstory ng channel kaya ako siya in-start. Well, in-start ko yung channel only because para ma-fix ko lahat ng issues na nagkakaroon ako sa aking kotse, which is yung Toyota BB. And at the same time, gusto ko rin siyang i-share sa iba na may same issues sa Toyota BB and other issues sa may sasakyan na may same makina, which is 1NZFE. Usually, ang same sasakyan is Toyota Vios na mga lower older versions. Okay? And then other contents na ginagawa ko is reviews and tutorials ng mga gadgets. Ayun, so hopefully support niyo yung channel by liking, subscribing, and clicking the notification bell for you to get notified para sa mga bagong contents na ginagawa ko. Alright, thank you.